Hi students, I hope everybody's having a great day. So this video is made with the purpose to guide you through your work for the second week of your packet, which is from Monday, May 4th up until Friday, May 8th. And I'm going to be showing you a couple of skills that will help you with these assignments. And the first skill is multiplying by multiples of 10. So I have written out a problem on the board. Notice we have 80 times 30 and they are both multiples of 10. So what we can do is we can break down the 80 into 8 and 10, right? Because 8 times 10 gives us 80. Then we're going to break down the 30 and we're going to do 3 times 10 gives us 30. Then we are going to put the 10s together, and let's move them over to this side. 10 times 10. I'll put them in parentheses. Then we're going to grab the smaller numbers, the ones that are not 10s, and we're going to do 8 times 3 on this side. Times 3. And we know that 8 times 3 is 24. So I will do this. 8 times 3 gives me 24. And we know that 10 times 10 is 100, or you can also go 1 times 1 is 1, and then we tackle 1, 2 zeros. 2 zeros. Now we have 24 times 100. Oh my goodness, you might think that's a big number, but as you may recall, there's a shortcut way to find the answer, and we do 24 times 1 gives us 24. And we tackle on the 2 zeros. 1, 2. And the answer, 80 times 30, is 2,400. So I hope this helps you. Feel free to go back as many times as needed to rewatch the steps. I know I might have some of you may need a little bit more time to process this information. However, I hope it helps you. The next one that you will be needing for this week is, give me 1 second so I can sort through my packets. You are going to be doing some story problems, applying the same skills but in a story version. So I'm going to read a short story problem. It reads like this. Amy posts 4 videos online. Let me start again. I read it wrong. Amy posts 4 online videos about a new theme park. Dan posts 3 times as many videos as Amy. How many more videos does Dan post? So we know that Amy posts 4 videos. So if you can see here, I drew a little box 4 up here that represents the 4 videos posted, and I just labeled it Amy, so I know who I'm talking about. And down here I drew another bar and I labeled it Dan. Sorry, I messed the D up. Let me fix it. Okay, there, that's better. And I labeled it Dan, and it says he posts 3 times many more videos as Amy. So this is what Amy posts and this is what Dan posts. And if you notice, this is 3 times more what Amy posted. So I did 3 times 4, and the 4 is, I got it from Amy's videos, and the 3 times I got from what Dan posted. So I did 3 times 4 equals 12, right? But that's still not our answer. Our answer is asking us how many, or our question is asking us how many more videos does Dan post? Wow. I labeled up here D for Dan. This is the amount of videos more that he posted than Amy, because this matches up with that one. And these 2 squares are the amount of video more that he posted than Amy, which is 1, 2. And we know that each square represents 4, so that's why I did 2 times 4 equals 8. So Dan uploads 8 more videos than Amy. Feel free to go back and rewatch this part of the clip again. The next skill that you will be needing to complete your work for this week is this one. So it's multiplying in a rectangle. I'm sorry, this is not a perfect rectangle. However, in your worksheet, they will be much nicer. But the problem is 7 times 16. We broke down the 16 into 10 plus 6 once. So 10 plus 6 gives us 16, right? And it says 16 is 110 because we have a 1 in the tens value. And 6 ones, we have 6 ones in the 6 value. And then we have a rectangle here. And we are multiplying by 7. So the 7 is on this side. And we are multiplying by 16. So I wrote in my 110 that I have and my 6 ones. And if we had an imaginary plus here, 10 plus 6 gives us our 16. And then what I did was I multiplied 7 times 10. And if you notice, I wrote it here in this part of the rectangle. And I know that 7 times 10 is, 16, right? No, sorry, not 16. 7 times 10 is 70. So I'm just going to write it here in big. Next, I'm going to multiply 7 times 6. 7 times 6 is 42. And what I will be doing is I will add these on the side. So 70 plus 42. We know that 0 plus 2 is 2. We know that 7 plus 4 is 11. And our answer for 7 times 16 is 112. Okay. So next I am going to be going over what needs to be done each day. And on Monday, May 4th, you are going to be working on page 6, multiplying by multiples of 10. On Tuesday, you are going to be working on the story problem and practicing the skills. On Wednesday, you will continue to practice the story problems. On Thursday and Friday. So on Thursday, you will practice multiplying with this setup, multiplying with a 2-digit factor. And then on Friday, you will also continue multiplying with a 2-digit factor, and it'll be the last page of your book or your packet. I hope this video helps. If you have any questions, feel free to message myself or Miss Mejia on Class Dojo. We are more than happy to help you. Have a great day and stay safe.